Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video I will tell you about how you can add your funds or money in your this, you can see this Google Play balance, how you can add your funds in this. I will tell you in this video, so watch till end. If you have any UPI application, just simply tap on it just like this. I have Paytm, I am using this. Click on this search option, here it is. Now here you have to write here Google Play Store recharge. This is, you can see, simply tap on here and you can see enter recharge amount. Then you have to simply enter the recharge amount. So this is proceed to pay. So there are lots of offers also are there. If you recharge 1000, they will give you discount of 150 on minimum recharge of 200, maximum discount 100. This is good. You can see maximum discount 50 rupees, 10 rupees. So you can proceed to pay with this 10 rupees. Now you have to simply pay it by your account. Just simply it is processing right now. Make the payment and you can see it's done. Money received, processing, payment process, checking status. Now it's done. So you can see I have purchased 10 rupees gift card. You can see you can just simply, here it is the code to redeem your 10 rupees gift card. You have to just copy this code and paste it on your this Play Store. I will tell you from starting. Just go to the Play Store application, click on your profile, scroll down, payment and subscription. Here it is, redeem code. Now simply redeem this code. Click on redeem. It is checking right now. Click on confirm and 10 rupees it added successfully. Your current balance is rupees 31.82 paise. So that's how you can redeem it. It is successfully redeemed. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.